Good day traders, welcome to another video. Right, so on this video I will be showing you how to use the breakout scalping tool. Right, so on my screen, as you can see, this is GBP JPY chart. Right, so we are going to analyze the main reason why we traded JBP JPY, the main reason on how to take the trades, when to take the trades, and you take profit. Right, now the breakout scalper is a scalping system that analyzes the market on its own. It's a system that gives us basically signals each and every trade, each and every day. Right, so basically the main thing or the basic of the breakout scalping is that this uses a scalping strategy. Right, secondly, we use 1 hour time frame, as you can see on our screen. Most importantly, we use 1 hour time frame all the time. So the system automatically comes with signals that it gives on each and every trade, right? As you can see here on my screen, we have an entry level. So the entry level, the system will give you a sell stop price where you are supposed to sell, right? So meaning that this sell entry is the same price of 190.726, right? This is the entry level that you're supposed to enter in the market. Automatically, the system will give you this entry. And then below, we have a safe entry. Safe entry, we have two prices. Two prices. The safe entry is this level here. So the safe entry is the pullback entry or more entry opportunities that you are going to enter in the market. Okay, so for in case, maybe for example, if you missed this sell entry right here, you are going to wait for the market to reach this price here, where you are going to have more entry opportunities, or where you are going to enter the market again. If you miss the entry here, you will have to wait for the market to reach this price. Automatically, the system will give you this level. You don't sell at any position at any time. You have to wait for the market to reach a certain price for you to sell, right? And then below you have TGT. TGT means target price. Automatically, the system will give you a target price which is 187.738 in this analysis. The target price is this level down here, meaning that the target price is your target. Your target is your take profit price. This is where you're going to do what? This is where you're going to take your profit, right? And then below it has a P&L. P&L, it says 2.154 pips, meaning that 2.154 pips is in green color. If it's in green color, it simply means you are running on profits. These are the pips calculations. The system automatically calculates the pips for you. You don't even have to calculate for them. You don't even have to calculate them, right? So if you don't know how to calculate pips, automatically the system will calculate the pips for you. Okay, and then below you have a sell L. Sell L says candle should close below or above 150. In this case, it says candle should close above 190.263. 190.263 is your stop loss level. If you are buying, right, it will say the candle should close below, and then it gives you a price of a buy level, right? In this case, we are selling. So the candle should close above 190.263. If it closes above this level, it simply means the market has reached your stop loss level. So automatically the system will give you a stop loss. So in summary, the stop loss will give you a sell entry. It will give you a safe sell entry. It will give you a target price. It will give you a pips calculation. It will calculate the pips for you, and then it will give you a stop loss level. So automatically the system gives you each and everything, right? But you don't initially trade everything, right? Remember, on each and every strategy has its own rules. You have to apply them as they are. Either way, you're going to lose money if you don't apply the rules, right? You have to apply the rules 100%. Trust in the system, and the system will pay you. Okay, now looking at the indicators here, 1.8%, we have 76.4% and 100%. Initially, those who are trading Fibonacci will understand this concept, right? So Fibonacci retracement is a tool, or it's an indicator that allows us to know where to enter in the market. It gives us an opportunity to value, or the opportunity to see the price where we are supposed to sell or where we're supposed to buy. We don't just buy at any price. We don't just buy at any percentage. We have to make sure that there's certain percentage of which we are going to buy or we are going to sell from. So in our strategy, using the breakout scalping pro, we use 61.8% as our sell entry. If the market is around 61.8% and then our sell entry is at this level, this is the level that you are going to sell. You only sell at 61.8%. Okay? Secondly, we only buy when the signal is around 38.2%. Buy entry, we buy at 38.2%. Sell entry, we sell at 61.8% in this scenario. We can't sell or we can't buy at 50%, of which also at 50% it's a good entry. But remember, 50% is our retracement level or our pullback level. This is the level where we expect the market to either have a pullback, retracement, or break out of that structure and have a continuous movement either on an upper level or on a downside, right? It's either at 50%, the market is going to retrace or the market is going to have a breakout. So we are not 100% sure that the market is going to respect 50% zone. But at 61.8 and then at 38.2, those are our major levels where we can have our good entries. Okay? And then 23.6 and 0%, they are at the support level in this scenario. And then 100% and 76.4, they are our resistant level in this scenario. Price action traders, they know when we are at 76.4 or 100%, this is where we look for sell opportunities using price action strategy. When we are at 0% and when we are at 23.6%, this is where we are going to buy using price action strategy. But now we are using scalping. For scalpers, we don't initially trade at the resistance. We don't initially trade at the support. We wait for the market to move up until it reaches certain levels for us to buy or for us to sell. Okay, so in this scenario, looking at the signal was right there at 61.8, giving us a good signal that we are going to sell. In this case, we're going to sell GBP, JPY. Reason is all of our indicators are red, and then the system gave us a sell signal, and then also the sell signal is at 61.8%, of which Fibonacci is also supporting the signal of the system that, okay, fine, we are at 61.8, we are going to sell. This is a good sell entry position. Remember, when you are using the system, you are going to hold. The system is used for long-term traders. We hold for days, initially 2 or 3 days, up until we reach our target. So make sure that your sell signal or your sell entry is around 61.8% for you to have a good sell entry. If it's not at 61.8%, it's not a valid good trade. If it's at 76.4 or 100%, it's not a good trade. Make sure that it's above 61.8% or below 61.8% for you to sell, right? If it's above 38.2% or below 38.2%, that is where we are going to do what? That is where we're going to look for buy opportunities. Now, moving on, let's look at another example just to see the accuracy of the system signals, right? Now we are looking at Euro JPY. Euro JPY initially is also a currency pair that we trade. Okay, already right now the market has moved. We have a sell entry right here. This is another good example, right? The reason why we will not take this trade is because this trade is initially at our support level, making it difficult for us to enter this trade. If we have a signal at the support level, we don't trade this kind of a signal. Reason is because the market is not at our initial levels where we are supposed to enter. The market is at the support. And you can't sell at the support because the support level is where we look look for buy opportunities. So this is a risky trade, right? Now let's look at another example. Maybe we can find a good entry point that we should take in the market. Let's look at NZD-JPY, for example. Now the system automatically works on every pair, indices, and currency pairs. Also, NZD-JPY, the signal is at the support, making it very difficult for us to enter. So we are going to avoid this kind of a trade. We wait for the market to have a pullback at the support, and then we are going to look for buy opportunities at 38.2%. But right now, if we have a sell signal right there at the support, we are not going to take this kind of a trade. Right? Now let's go to indices and see how the system is behaving when it comes to indices, right? Remember, the system works on currency pairs and indices of your choice. Uses every broker. Also, right, this was a good sell signal setup, right? But the only disadvantage is that it is not at our initial sell position of 61.8%. We sold at the resistance level, of which this is German 40, of which this was a good signal, right? Running about 482.80 pips profit from this entry level going forward, right? And initially, this trade has taken our what? It has taken our target, or it has taken our take profit, which this was a good and easy trade to take. Moving on, let's look at Nasdaq, for example. Look at Nasdaq, for example. How is Nasdaq behaving? How is Nasdaq behaving? Let's look at Nasdaq. The accuracy of the system is 95% accurate. Also, on Nasdaq was a good entry. We had a sell signal here running about 516.20 pips target hit on Nasdaq, right? This was a sell entry right there at the resistance. And then as you can see, the market moved very good up until it hits our what? Our target. So you can see the consistency of this breakout scalping system. It's very good and very easy to be used because everything is there. The system has given us a sell signal and then a safe sell entry, and then it has given us a target. And as you can see, the market has hit the target. Right. Now let's check another example of a currency pair just to wrap it up. Right? Just to wrap it up. Let's look at another example of a currency pair just to wrap it up. Let's look at this currency pair. This is Australian dollar JPY, right? The reason why we were going to take this trade is because all of our indicators are red, right? And then our initial sell entry is around there below 38.2%, which makes a good entry level for us to enter, right? As you can see, we had a sell entry and then we had a little bit of a pullback on an upper level, and then the market retraced going on a bearish movement or on a bearish direction up until it reaches our what? Our take profit. As you can see, the market has moved around about 1,000 pips on profit initially, right? Sell entry was at this price, and then at around about 38.2% of our Fibonacci structure, and then the market respected this level, and then position-wise, it went up until it went on a bearish direction or a bearish momentum up until it reaches our target at this level. This was a good entry level that we were going to trade. The consistency of the system is 95% accurate if you follow the rules. If you follow the rules or the trading strategy rules. Just want to check another currency pair of a different currency, right? We have checked the JPY pairs. Now we can look at the the euro pairs. Let's look at the euro pairs. How are they performing so far? How are the euro pairs performing on our case? Remember, the system can be used on each and every broker, can work on MT4, only on your PC, right? Only on your PC, then the system can operate. Mentorship is available. One-on-one sessions are available, right? Either online or office sessions are available to know how to successfully use our breakout scalping strategy. Remember, always look for good entries, respect the strategy. Each and every system, each and every robot, each and every software, each and every strategy has rules. Make sure that you acquire the rules and follow them as they are for you to make money easy way, or for you to make money matter, right? And also, the system works on each and every time frame, right? The system works on every time frame: 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, and monthly. But initially, on our strategy, we prefer using 1 hour time frame. We prefer using 1 hour time frame. All right. Now, I hope this video played a huge role, and I hope that you are going to acquire the knowledge as much as possible, and I hope that you're going to follow the trading rules as they are. Don't change anything. Use the system as it is, and the system will pay you. Trust the system 100%, and the system will pay you. Always set your goals, each and every trade or each and every target, right? Make sure that you follow the trading strategy. Make sure that you follow the trading rules. Now, looking at Euro Australian dollar, we have on this side, our indicators are all indicating blue, which is a good direction for a buy entry or for a buy level, right? And then right about here, we have a buy signal at 61.8%, giving us a good entry for a buy momentum or for a buy direction, right? So we will be looking for a breakout structure or a breakout movement above 61.8%. So as you can see, the market retested the support level, of which it respected the support level. As you can see, the market was going on a bearish movement, and then all of a sudden, when it reaches the support, it respected the support and went on a bullish momentum or a bullish direction, right? Right about 61.8%, we're going to look for what? For buy opportunities. If the market breaks above 61.8, we are going to buy from this direction. So this is a good buy setup or a good buy signal, of which we are going to do what? We are going to look for buy opportunities. So in this case, this is a good signal or setup that we can trade. 61.8%, we are going to buy. And then our take profit is right about 1.65544. This is Euro Australian dollar. Already the system has given us a buy entry automatically. So, right? So what we have to do is we just have to use this buy signal in our favor. So I'm going to enter at this level, and then my take profit is just going to be right there at the target price. Hoping for the market to do what? To respect my decision. So this is Euro Australian dollar on 1 hour time frame. The reason we are going to take it, we have a buy entry at 61.8%, and then the market is from the support level, right? And then we have a target price at this level, and all of our indicators are supporting the buy entry because they are all blue initially, right? So I hope this message has played a huge role. I know a lot of people have been struggling using the system. There are a lot of traders I know that have been using the system for years, but still they're not making money. So the only difference or the only disadvantage is that you are not allowing yourself to learn more about the system. You're not allowing yourselves to know about the secrets of the system. You're not allowing yourselves to learn about the principle of the system. So make sure that you know the basics before you use any system. Any system has its own strategy. Make sure that you follow the strategy. But if you're using the system without the strategy, you are not going to see profits. You're going to make money, you're going to lose money, because the system gives signals. Some of the signals, they are not at the right positions, making it difficult for us to be consistent. But if you have a strategy, that you are applying and that you are using 100%, initially, at the end of the day, you're going to make profits consistently so. And if you avoid using the strategies or the rules, you are not going to be consistent. The only time you will be consistent in the market or in the forex industry is when you follow the strategies 100%. Okay, so I hope this information played a huge role on your trading psychology, philosophy, trading strategy, trading insight, naked eye forex, and everything, right? I hope this has played a huge role, and make sure that you get your breakout system in order for you to do what? To start being consistent and making money. Thank you very much. See you on another video.